Konseho bukas nga muduyog sa kasaulugan sa National Indigenous Peoples Month 2024 at nawato ng report ni Donnie Dicena.
Mainitong duyugan sa Asinso Ozamis Administration ang Indigenous People Community sa Ozamis alang sa kasaulugan sa National Indigenous Peoples Month nga gisaulog matag bulan sa Oktubre. Nagkanayon si Indigenous People Committee Vice Chair Dinky Suizo nga sa pagkakaron wala pa siya'y nadawat nga proposed program of activities gikan sa hugpong sa IP community sa Ozamis. Nakikidugtong na siya ni kanhi IPMR Representative Relinda Bation o uban pang mga IP leader o mga timuay gikan sa 5 ka ancestral barangay ning syudad aron sa pag-finalize sa selebrasyon. Dugang pa ni IP Committee Vice Chair Dinky Suizo nga ang Asinso Ozamis Administration padayon ang pag-ila o pagtahod sa katungod sa lumad, partikular sa Dakbayan sa Ozamis.
The month of October is the IP month or the Indigenous Peoples Month, and then this is supposed to be celebrated by the entire Subanin culture of the 5 ancestral barangays of our city. Now, since we don't have yet the chairman of the NCIP and then the chieftain, former Councilor Relinda Bation, supposedly be submitting her proposal for the said activity, but I already called her up, so what would be their plans for the upcoming activities. But since every barangay, the 5 ancestral barangays are now having its proposal also for the celebration of the IP month, we will going to have it a consolidated activity for the 5 ancestral barangays, and we will going to submit it to the mayor's office, Madam Chair, for the celebration alone.
Alang sa Ozamis Today, Donnie Dicena reporting.